Hey everybody, my name is Brillix, and I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make gaming shorts and or TikTok videos with Davinci Resolve. So let's get into it. So first things first, you are going to need Davinci Resolve, and I'll have a link to that down below in the description below. When you open up Davinci Resolve, you're going to see an untitled video, and you're just going to click on that. When you open up Davinci Resolve, you're going to be set to this page right here. You're going to want to right click the no clips in the media pool and click create new timeline. Then you can name your timeline whatever you'd like. I'm going to name it TikTok videos just because, you know, that's what I make my videos for. And then you're going to click down here where it says use project settings. You're going to make your way over to format, and you're just going to want to switch these two. So you're going to make this side 1080, and you're going to make this side 1920. And then you're going to go down to timeline frame rate and turn that up to about 30. After that, you're just going to want to click down here where it says scale entire image to fit and make it center crop with no resizing. After that, just click create. After you do that, you're going to want to make your way over to the editing page. Here's where you're going to import your clip to start editing. So for example, let me grab my clip, and you can just drag it right down into here to see your clip. So after dragging your video down into the timeline, as you can see, it's going to be right up in here, and you have these long black borders. So you can get rid of those very easily by just going up to here, and you can zoom in. I make mine about 1.2. Just because I'm going to add a blur in the background, and I'll show you guys how to do that in just one moment. After you do this, you can edit your video just by cutting it down to however you'd like. If you do decide to shorten your video, just make sure you drag it back over to the timeline. Okay, after doing that, you're going to want to just basically copy your first video and drag it above it by just clicking Alt and just clicking on your video and dragging up, just like that. After you do that, you're going to select the bottom clip. Make sure you select the bottom clip because that's where you're going to have the blur in the background. After you do that, you're just going to want to right click. And then after that, you want to click Open in Fusion page. You're going to want to press Control and space. It's going to open up this little select tool, and you can just type in Gaussian blur. As you can see, Gaussian blur is right here. You can just click Add, and it's going to add a little blur effect right here. You can increase it up to the top right with strength if you want to increase it to really, really, really blurry, or you can just keep it at normal if you'd like. But I have mine at about 5. After you close out of that, sometimes it might have the blur effect at the top of the clip. That's okay, you just want to click on it and click Open in Fusion page, and you'll just click Delete if it isn't on the top clip. And then when you select the bottom clip, you're going to want to just zoom it in at about 1.8. And as you can see now, we now have a blur border. Now this is totally optional. If you make your way to the color section and go to the top right and click Nodes and Effects, if you scroll down just a little bit, you'll see Color Space Transform. You can drag that and put it right on top of the video. After you do that, you can see Input Color Space. Now, I like to do ACES APO 0, or you can make your way down to XYZ, which is make it really bright. And I like to do that. If you guys would like to put it on the border as well, you can just select the other clip right here and do the exact same thing. And there you have it. You have your video. Now, after you've done that, you can make your way over here to deliver. After you make your way over to deliver, you can make sure your frame rate is on 30. And you can name it if you'd like. And then just click Add to Render Queue. And you can add it to whatever file you'd like to. And then just click Render. And there you have it. You have a perfect short and or TikTok to upload. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to please leave a like down below and please subscribe as it helps me out a ton. This was my first video, so please leave a comment letting me know what I should upload and or what I should do to improve my videos. Thank you so much, guys.